Gold and a country's economy are related, and the question is how and why. Next, what is gold standard? Gold is not just the benchmark for status and power, but gold determines a country's economic status. To understand, we should know three money types and how gold is related to them. First money type is commodity money. These are the things that have real value. For example, sheep is commodity money because they have direct value. Use it as money by exchanging. You can give sheep and get vegetables. Like this, there are many types of commodity money including gold, salt, animals, vegetables, home goods, etc. Among these, gold is most valuable. The second type of money is representative money. What is it? It is paper money. Instead of carrying gold with us, we can give it back to banks and take a piece of paper indicating our gold value. This paper is representative money. It represents our gold value in the bank and does not have any direct value like commodity money. We give this representative money to buy goods. The seller claims the gold from bank again from that representative money. This system is called gold standard as our money is tied with gold. Gold standard was used in between 1900 and 1971. Not just the people, but a country also must follow the gold standard policy. Accordingly, any country can print their currency only if they have equal value of gold in their reserves. For example, if they have 1 billion worth of gold in their reserves, they can only print 1 billion amount of currency. To print more paper money, they need to get more gold first. They save all the gold in their vault. Yes, it is huge. So gold is directly involved in these two money forms. At one point, gold standard became burdensome for the countries. Because of industrial revolution, all the countries needed a lot of money to invest in industry sector and in military. They can't just print money in high amounts because of limited gold supply. No printing money and no investments. This did not seem right at the time. So the countries stopped following the gold standard and started to print their currency called as Fiat Currency. Unlike the gold standard, now this paper money is not supported by any gold or anything. During gold standard days, it was easy to compare the money between countries as they all follow the same rule, gold standard. But now countries print whatever the amount they want. How to compare their currencies now? And how can they calculate the exchange rate? Here comes the foreign exchange. Based upon a country's imports and exports, the foreign exchange calculates the country's currency value. Look for the video in the below description for more information about the foreign exchange. Now the question is, as countries don't follow gold standard now in the third money form, why gold is still critical in country's economy? The answer is very simple. Because country's fiat currency value may go down during the economic crisis or inflation. But gold price will keep increasing because of its high demand and it is supplied very limitedly. Gold retains and increases its value over the time, but not the paper money or the fiat currency. Now what investors and even a country will do in the economic crisis? Because the paper money value is decreasing during the crisis, they will simply buy gold in huge quantities and save them in their reserves. This is how, even though gold standard is not used now in fiat currency model, still gold has its value in maintaining a country's economic status. Some curious questions here. When will gold run out? Maybe by 2050 we will see declined gold production as we cannot identify new gold mines. Which country has more gold production? It is China. China produces around 400 tons of gold per year, which is 13.7% of global gold production. When Earth was formed, it was in molten state, and heavy metals like gold sank to the core of Earth as they are heavy. So many heavy metals are abundant in Earth core layers. Because of asteroid impacts on Earth, some of the gold deposits are exposed outside and are easily accessible to us. For example, an asteroid hit South Africa region before 2 billion years and formed Rutherford crater. It makes the South Africa one of the richest gold deposits on Earth. Now we know the value of gold in relation to the currency. For more related videos, follow the links in description. For more updated videos, please subscribe to Curious Egg and click bell icon. Include your comments for any questions or suggestions.